Moroi, tinokuchingamidza pa Shonaland. Hi and welcome to Shonaland. Today we are going to be taking you through action verbs, what we call mazwi echiito nechishona. If this is your first time to join us on Shonaland, we kindly ask you to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and drop a like if you like this video. To our dear subscribers, thank you very much for joining us again on this wonderful Shona lesson. Let's get started on today's business. Action verb. It is a word that describes an action. Izwi rinotsanangura chiito. Izwi rinotsanangura chiito. Agree. Vuma. Vuma. I agreed to go with him. Ndavuma kuenda naye. Ndavuma kuenda naye. I agreed. Ndavuma. To go. Kuyenda. Kuyenda. With him. Naye. Naye. Ndavuma kuyenda naye. Arrive. Swika. Swika. I arrived at 2 p.m. Ndaswika kuma 2 p.m. Ndaswika kuma 2 p.m. I arrived. Ndaswika. Ndaswika. At kuma. At kuma. Ndaswika kuma 2 p.m. Ask. Vunza. Vunza. If you want to know Shona, ask Shonaland. Kana uchida kuziva Shona, vunza Shonaland. Kana uchida kuziva Shona, vunza Shonaland. If kana you want uchida to know kuziva, ask vunza. Vunza. Kana uchida kuziva Shona, vunza Shonaland. Bring. Unza. Unza. Bring your friend to the party. Unza shamwari yako kumafaro. Unza shamwari yako kumafaro. Bring. Unza. Your friend. Shamwari yako. Here, yo is represented by yako. Friend is shamwari. Your friend. Shamwari yako. To the party, kumafaro. To the party, kumafaro. Unza shamwari yako kumafaro. Buy. Tenga. Tenga. Please buy bread for us. Ndokumbira utitengere chingwa. Ndokumbira utitengere chingwa. Please. Ndokumbira. Buy for us. Utitengere. Chingwa. Bread. Chingwa. Bread. Ndokumbira utitengere chingwa. Dance. Tamba. Tamba. Dad is dancing. Baba vari kutamba. Baba vari kutamba. Dad. Baba. Is. Vari. Dancing. Kutamba. Baba vari kutamba. Help. Batsira. Batsira. I was helping my brother. Ndanga ndichibatsira mukoma vangu. ndanga ndichibatsira mukoma vangu. I was, ndanga. Helping, ndichibatsira. Helping is represented by ndichibatsira when it comes to Shona. Helping, ndichibatsira. Ndichi means I was helping. So you write ndichibatsira or I am helping. Ndichibatsira. My, vangu. Vangu. Brother, mukoma. Now brother in Shona is represented by mukoma or muningina. Muningina is when he is a little brother. So here I have chosen mukoma, meaning older brother. Ndanga ndichibatsira mukoma vangu. Fix, gadzira. Gadzira. Dad, may you fix my bike? Baba, ndokumbirawo mugadzire bizautare rangu. Baba, ndokumbirawo mugadzire bizautare rangu. Dad, baba. May you, ndokumbirawo. Fix, mugadzire. Here, as you can see, there is an added word letters there, M and U, meaning mugadzire. This is in a respective manner. Mugadzire. Since you'll be talking to your dad, your father, and you are his or her child, so you should respect by saying mugadzire. Fix mugadzire. My, rangu. My, rangu. Bike, bizautare. Bizautare. Baba ndokumbirawo mugadzire bizautare rangu. Kick, bana. Bana. Messi kicked the ball. Messi akabana bora. Messi akabana bora. Kicked, akabana. Kicked is in past tense, so in Shona, if you want to put past tense, you first add aka, referring to an action that was done in the past. Akabana. The ball, bora. Bora. Messi akabana bora. Lift, simudza. Simudza. Help your grandmother to lift the bags. Help your grandmother to lift the bags. Batsira ambuya vako kutakura mabegi. Batsira ambuya vako kutakura mabegi. Help, batsira. Yo, vako. Grandmother, ambuya. To lift, kutakura. The bags, mabegi. Here we have added ma before begi, referring to plural. The bags. Bags, it's in plural, so in Shona, to put something in plural like begi, you add mabegi. We will go deeper on that on another video where we'll be teaching you plurals. So stick around for the next videos to come, as we might be teaching things that you might have missed on this video. Thank you very much for joining us today, and we hope to meet again on the next tutorial. Thank you.